All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to this edition where we're going to take a look at credential management and secret server and how we store them, and then we can then subsequently share them. So let's get started. So we're going to come in here. We're going to go into a folder here, and then we're going to create a secret called and we're going to pick a web password template here out of all these different templates we have available. I'm going to pick a web password template. It's the easiest one to create for our demo purposes. And so we're going to create this, and we're going to say some Credential. We're going to go with Yahoo. Why not? And then we're going to go, okay. Then we're just going to generate a password here, and we're going to stick it in the vault. And what we're going to do is we're going to then pick create secret. And then from that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at some of our options here that are afforded to us within this particular template. And one of them is going to be taking a look at our security options. And so as we take a look at this, we can see that we have all of our different, we can do require comments. We can all hide the password launcher, which is very nice when we have vendors, third-party contractors accessing the particular secret so that no one is accessing the password itself. And then as we take a look here, we can also see we can do session recording along with a few other options here as well. So then along with this, we're going to get the ability to see everything that happens with this particular credential, the secret within the environment here. So you can already see it's tracking along here with giving us some different options here. So what we're going to do here now is we are going to then, after we have it created, we're going to then do a share. So we're going to share this out. We're going to share this out with another user here. You're going to see how easy this is to do. So we have it in a folder, and then what we're going to do is we're going to say, I'm going to share it out with Amanda Lopez. We're going to make it so she can just basically edit or view. If we pick view or edit, then basically we are entitled to be the owner still. And then as that happens, we can then share the secret. So essentially what I've showed you is controlling everything within an enterprise vault with access controls all around our secrets. We've created a secret with using a web password filler and put that into the vault. It was that easy to do, and just wanted to show you that. Thank you.